Okay, this is the Chapter 5 case projects. I did the first two, which were beach and mountain bike rentals and the Chocolate Cafe app. So we'll start with the first one, which is the beach and bike rentals. This is my code for everything. My array with the strings in them. The thing up here where it's the list activity for it. And the list item click. Right there I use the simplest item for the, I guess the menu selection. Here's my switch. And where it switches to the different activities. The beach, or not activities, the classes, the beach class and the mountain class, and the third one opens up the website for campusbikeshop.com. So let's run it. Ignore that one for now. That's the up and coming one. Alright, as you can see, got 3 choices, which were the ones in the array. Click on the first one. Opens up a picture of the smiley guy that's got his pants a little wet on the beach. Go back, open up mountain bike, and there's that guy. Picture of that guy. He's having some fun in the, I guess, sun. Then the third one, that opens up a web page to this place where you can get $20 all-day rentals on electric bikes, I guess. So that's for that one. Let's open up the Chocolate Cafe now. This is my code for the Chocolate Cafe. There's my string array with chocolate mousse, cake, macaroon, and the website itself. Here's my this right here that references the custom design I did for it. Which, as you can see, that's all the design elements I put into it. And here I have it where it opens up the mousse class, cake class, and macaroon. I guess that's how you say that. And then the last one should open a website for Chocolate Harlem. We'll launch this one. Alright, as you can see, this one looks a little bit better because it's got the icons to each one. Opens up the pictures. Chocolate cake. And those things. And then this one should open the website. And that looks to be it for that. So I think that is it for Chapter 5.